Welcome back to another video with me, guys. I want to start off by saying welcome, and please, if you are not a member of Everyday English, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you will be notified any and every time I post a new video. All right. So I want to leave off where I want to start where we left off. Um, and do a little bit of reviewing about what we studied in the last video, so everyone can refresh their minds as well. Okay, we are learning. We learned how to ask questions about people and how to ask how how you like your current job, or what jobs would you like to have, what would be labeled, or what would be considered a good job now. All right. But like I told you before, in my opinion, now would be a good job in helping someone in a time of need, due to the fact that we have a very strong virus in our economy right now. It's really killing the economy. So we have to think of what would actually be a really good job from now, like starting now, okay? And how we could help people, okay? Now, here, talking about family and friends, okay? Here, all we do to the verb is add s, present simple, add s to the verb, okay? Come, comes, okay? Talk, talks. Eat, eats, okay? Run, runs, okay? Everyone understand? All right. Now, let's go on to number 6. Number 6, match the questions to the sentences in exercise 5 to continue the conversations, okay? 1, where exactly in Belgium? Okay. My husband comes from Belgium. Where exactly in Belgium? Okay. So, A, does she want to be an interpreter? My sister speaks Spanish very well. Okay. So A would be 5. B, 1. Does she visit you often? Okay. Does she visit you often? Okay. My grandmother lives in the next town. Does she visit you often? Or a grandmother, you should go to visit her. What does she write about? Okay. My friend Tom, I'm not sure if this is correct. My friend Tom writes a blog on the internet. What does he write about? Okay. E, what does she read? Okay. I just saw it. I think it's my mother loves loves reading. Right. My mother loves reading. What does she read? All right. All right. Where does he go? Let's see. My father travels a lot in his job. Where does he go? What does he like watching? Okay. What does he like to watch? Okay. My little brother watches a lot of TV. That's right. My little brother does. He does. He likes to watch a lot of movies. Along with me, I'm not going to single him out, like make him sound like the bad guy. I love to watch TV too, and watching TV isn't bad. Okay. Reading and speaking, a really good job. Look at the pictures, Read the sentence about Baber Ali. I'm sure I just got that wrong. Okay, I apologize. Okay. Underline what you think. What you think is true, okay? Baber gets up at 8 a.m. or 8 a.m. Okay, so if he is a teacher, he has to be able to get up early. So I'm going to go with 5 a.m. He helps his mother in the house, or he helps his mother and father at work. He helps his mother in the house. He goes to school by bus or by car. I think he goes by car. He studies until 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. Okay, if you're a student, you need to study as much as you can. So I'm going to go with 4 p.m. He begins his homework class at 5 p.m. I'm going to say homework because I don't think you're in school at 5 p.m. He doesn't like his work. I'm going to go with like because most teachers, you have to like your job to be a teacher. I'm not saying it's difficult, but I'm not saying it's hard either. Okay. I'm not saying it's easy. Okay. He doesn't speak English. Okay. I'm going to say he doesn't. Oh, nope. Wrong. All right. So how do I fix that? All right. He wants to go to the university. All right. He wants to go to the university. Read the first paragraph about Babar. Ask and answer the questions with a partner. Where does Babar come from? You guys can come up with the answers yourself. Think about where this guy might be from. My opinion, maybe India. Okay, that's just a wild guess. I don't know the language he's writing on the board. I've seen it. Okay, but there is a map here, so there is India, West Bengal. All right, where does he live? Does his village have a school? Obviously. How much does his school cost? What does he teach the children? Are all the classes outdoors? What's his school's name? And is it free? Who goes to a free school? Who goes to a free school? Because that would be awesome. If you go to a free school, that'd be awesome. Don't have to pay. Heck yeah. All right. Work with the partner and complete the questions. Okay. This is about your current situation. This is about you. Okay. Your everyday class, your situation. Okay. How many students are in your class? How many teachers are in your class or in your school? What time does school start? What time does school finish? For? How much does it cost? What is your teacher's name? Okay, is that teacher a good teacher? Okay, what does he teach? All right, does he work hard? Now, these questions, these examples are all made for yourself. Okay, so answer them the best that you know how. All right. Now, this is a lot of reading. If you want to read this, I encourage you. Reading is part of building your English vocabulary, okay? Building the grammar, okay? Because this is going to really help you reading, but we currently don't have the time, all right? So now what we're going to do here is we are going to identify these people to the right of our screen, all right? We are going to identify these people, okay? Number one, who is the architect? D, all right? Nurse, A. Pilot, C. Dentist, G. A receptionist, H. Lawyer, B. Taxi driver. Where's our taxi driver? I. Hairdresser, F. Journalist, J. Maybe, and accountants. I'm gonna say a journalist. Accountant's probably J. Yeah. That's right. Complete the sentences with a job. Okay. She's a hairdresser. She cuts hair. He's a pilot. He flies from Heathrow Airport. She's a receptionist. She works in a hotel. He's an architect. He designs buildings. She's a lawyer. She works in a family law firm. He's a taxi driver. He knows all the streets of London. She writes news stories. Journalist. She's a journalist. He's a dentist. He looks at people's teeth. She's a nurse. She works in the city hospital. He's an accountant. He likes working with money, okay? People love working with money, all right? Some people love working with money. Some people like working with money. Trustworthy people. All right. So now we're going to look at everyday English again, guys. This is, again, okay? What we're going to do here, it's 5 o'clock, okay, here. Shorthand tells the hour. Longhand tells the minutes. All right, so it's 8 o'clock. Here, 5:30. It's 5:30. All right, shorthand, guys, 11:30 or 11:30. It's 5:15. What is a quarter of an hour? 15 minutes, okay? So that would mean it's 5:15, okay? 2:15, 2:15. 3/4 or a quarter until 6. So it means it's 6 o'clock. Here, it's 8:45. 8:45, all right? You guys understand all of these questions? If you do not understand something, guys, please leave me a message down below. And please do not forget to like or unlike this video. And leave me a comment down below for any questions that you might have pertaining to this video, okay? Thank you guys again. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good day.